Portion control, of course, is important. Once you've switched from quantity to quality, you're going to notice you feel better, you feel less anxious, you're a little more likely now to stay in your zone. You know, the place to start turning around binge eating isn't so much with portion control. That's the first thing everybody thinks about. Think instead about quality of food, not quantity. Because if you're stuffing yourself with binge eating, trust me, you're probably not binging on carrots, apples, strawberries. It's probably stuff that is actually causing you to starve yourself because there's no nutritional value. So just switch what you're eating. Start filling up on fruit and veggies, and you can make them yummy. You can put chocolate on your strawberries and your apples. You'll get some nutrients, which means you're less likely to stay in the binge. Portion control, of course, is important. Once you've switched from quantity to quality, you're going to notice you feel better, you feel less anxious, you're a little more likely now to stay in your zone. Now just create what we call healthy plate. Healthy plate means half your plate has to be color. All sorts of vegetables, fruit, half of it. 1/4 a healthy carb. Healthy meaning it's not full of gravy and cheese, as in mac and cheese, no. And then the other 1/4 is going to be some sort of lean protein. Just make the plate look like that. You're going to feel better, and it makes portion control so simple.